You are going to love the 2026 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, compass, front bucket seats. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.